Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm explaining to you how to use Claude to refactor Python code. So to extract flawless code optimizations from Claude without the model breaking your dependencies or splitting out hand-wavy explanations, you must isolate your codebase using structured XML parameters. So just load your chat environment and construct an absolute enforcement prompt like this. So this kind of prompt. And after this Python code right here, well, of course, in my case, I would have to delete this and of course paste my code right over here. And then you just hit enter. And by wrapping your script inside these strict boundaries, Claude bypasses conversational pleasantries and launches right into your code execution, rendering a modular, heavily streamlined, refactored architecture on your screen. And guys, don't just take the first output and paste it blindly into your IDE. You can force the model to stress test its own logic and implement advanced architectural paradigms like concurrency. And we have another following prompt. So you can just follow up with this. And Claude will immediately modify the underlying code architecture, map out the async routines, and handle exception states cleanly. And you get highly resilient, enterprise-grade Python code optimized for high throughput computation environments. That's it. That's how you optimize and improve. Enjoy, guys, and see you soon.